Hello everybody, this is Sonya. It's early in the morning. I got this parcel yesterday. Now when I got it, I remembered that Penny said she sent me a parcel. She told me that a while back now. Excuse me a minute, I just need to look at this. Oh, it's water. I wonder what was in the bottle making... Oh, it's just water. It's okay. Nobody panic. Nobody panic. Okay. So I got it yesterday afternoon. Sorry, Penny, I haven't even covered over your... I've covered over mine. That's a bit rude of me. It doesn't matter anyway. Everybody probably knows my address. So here it is. Looks like it's had a bit of a beating about. I think you might have had it covered with some tissue. And you wrote here, Wales, Australia. From Wales to Australia, maybe? That's what that's from. Because that's where it come from. And the bird flew it out here to Australia. Okay, that's cool. I like what you've done with your paper bag. I really do. But he looks like he's had a little bit of time in the travels and took a while to get here, didn't it, Penny? So it's here, and I'm going to show you what is in here, okay? I thought it was coming undone, but it still had a tiny bit of sticky left that it was sticking down. Oh, look at this. Oh boy. I like it, but I might use this again too. I have to see about that. That's a good bag, isn't it? I might be able to use it for something. I'm running out of things for putting stuff in. I need something putting stuff in. I'm going to take my little note out of here first. Look at this. She sent me a big heart. It says, thank you, Sonya, for your big heart. Thank you, darling. That's very nice of you. This is for... hope you like this little happy mail finds... I hope this little happy mail finds your family safe and well. Something to say a big thank you for the wonderful hours of videos and crafting we do. Okay, I'm just skipping over a few words. I'm sending a few of my eco paper. Oh boy, I've got more paper. I love paper. I don't have to do any... I can't do any dyeing or things. Well, I can, but it's going to take me forever. Look what I've got in here. Yes, thank you so much. And a bag of little things. Please do whatever you want to with them. I hope they are... Oh, more over the page. She said she needs to practice a bit more too. Thank you so much, Penny. I really appreciate this. I will put the link to Penny's channel up on at the bottom of this. She's new to YouTube, and she's a very, very lovely lady, very beautiful lady, and she's got me tied up here. Look, hang on. She's over in Wales, in England. So maybe this did come on a boat. Sometimes sending things on boats because they don't come up by air anymore. I don't know how it works. I love that. Thank you. Actually, I've got a thing that I wanted to do something with hearts today, I hope. I've got a little bag of goodies here. Look at this. Lovely little bag of goodies. Look what I got. Some stamps. I love stamps. Look at them, aren't they cool? I do love stamps to put on things. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put them fair in my stamp container right now, so I can still find them. Look at that. These are all really nice, aren't they? Penny, thank you very much. I love these fruit ones. Oh, and I have an idea with the fruit ones too, for fruit. So they're in there. These are little cards. Oh, aren't these nice? They're pretty. Look, little Christmas themed ones. Well, I do like those. Thank you. I'll have to put them in one of them boxes too. Oh, look here. I've got some... I've got some... I've got some of these. Are these cigarette ones, like they say? Do they call these cigarette cards? Oh, look with the ladies and the... Oh, I do love these. I've tried to make some. Wow, these are real. Oh, boy. Thank you. Oh, I do love them. Thank you very much, Penny. They're really nice. I'm going to put these back in the little bag, because I'll put the little bag in something. I need more containers, I do. I've got some in the other room, in the spare room, and I'll have to go in and get some out. I'm going to clip this shut, and it's going to make a noise. Yesterday I went looking for, I want to get these bits and pieces that I got out of these. Because yesterday I had these jars that I found. They're made out of the same stuff as this, plasticky stuff, and they just had a screw top lid on. And I started putting some beads in a few. Love it. You haven't got to get this off this crinkly old thing, so I'll have to look and see if I can find something like the string. Actually, I was looking for some thinner stuff the other day because I've got this really thick one here that I won't use because it is too thick. I must have go looking at my husband because I know he borrowed some off me. Don't know if he returned it though. You know, he had some from out the back. I don't know if he brought it back or not. We'll have to have a look and see. I don't think there's any in the string box. I might use that in me next thing. Oh, look at this we got here. Okay. We should put it all in this piece of clear plasticky stuff. Oh boy, I love these. Oh dear, Penny, thank you so much. Look at that. Isn't that cool? There's a nice one. So you must put all your leaves or whatever you want to do onto the paper. I've seen people do it, but not thought that it was something I could manage. I suppose that would be all right to go in a small journal because you could fold that over. That would work really good, or even in the bigger ones too. These are nice. Wow. You and Tundra have sent me papers. Love papers. I do love papers. Thank you very much. These are nice too. These are done really beautiful. Oh wow. Love them. Thank you. They're awesome. Aren't they awesome? I love it. And you know what? I've got somewhere to put them through out of the... What did I say? Somewhere to put them. Where's that packet? I have a packet here somewhere. A container. Here we go. That I bought the other day. Actually, I think it might be a little bit full because I hope I put the other ones in here. I put some in here. This has got all sorts of papers and things in, but mostly could be a lot of pictures and that, so I'm going to put them in here so I can find them because these were some that I have, yes, ready to use, so I needed some more that I could... Oh, look at that. Oh, thank you so much for these. These are amazing. I can work it... Oh, I do. Oh, look at this one's on a bit of cardstock. I love that. Geez, that's pretty, isn't it? Well, I could do a couple of tags off that piece, couldn't I? Wait a minute while I set this other thing down that I've got here. I think I've got enough room. It's one of those expanding, you know, file things, so I should be able to fit them in there so I can find them. If I say, where did I put them, you can say, Sonia, in that file thing. Actually, I think I'm going to be using them quite soon, really, some of these. I'm really excited. Love that. This is really heavy paper. Really nice paper. Thank you. Oh, look at these ones. I don't know. Oh, the girl that I was getting to do mine, she was making them too dark. I said to her the other day, because she took some more to do, I said, well, just make them just, you know, off-white is good. You know, you just need to get them off when you do the tea-dyed ones, because, and this is, look, I love that sort of one, Penny. That's really nice. Thank you so much. I love these. Now, oh, look at that. Oh, look at this. Here's our neighbours. I think she's taken her son to school. I think he's at high school. He did find that there's a young man. Look at these. Oh, Penny, thank you so much. I've got so many. Oh, thank you. Oh, wow, look at this. Oh, look, I love the colour of these. Oh, I do love the colour of them. And these yellowy ones, yellowy colours and greens. Look, oh, I do love these. And they're pretty. Thank you so much. These are beautiful. I'm actually going to make a journal. I have got a lady wanting a journal, so I'm going to make a journal for her. Actually, I'm going to have to be working on a few, I think. What's to do? Thank you very much for these, Penny. I really appreciate this, darling. I love it all. I'm going to start using it, if that's all right with you. I'm going to start using it because the tea, I've got some tea-dyed ones here. I'll show you mine. The bubbly, you know, don't cry when you see it. It's really dark, isn't it? Look, really dark. I can salvage some of it. Salvage it's not too bad. I might be able to use a bit of it in. But see, this is when we got close to burning the house down, I suppose, when she was doing it, I don't know. But anyway, you can't be... If I can't do it myself, I just have to... Never mind, thank you very much. I got enough now to do something. Thank you very much, Penny. I love it all. Thank you so much, darling, for sending me these pretty goodies. And the little cards, I love the cards too. Thank you, and thank you everybody for watching. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.